cow, look at the people back there.
Yeah, you needed to do that onto our video.
Oh my.
Let me see. Oh, way busier than it was the other night when you did
Wow.
it. You should have done the before and after. Like before the tent show and then...
Show that to Karen.
It's just sitting up there.
Like an RV park around here.
Oh my God. Yeah, it looks like an RV park. Oh, there's a circle there.
Oh my God.
Circle right there, people. Circle. Look at, they made a circle.
Where
They
are
got
you?
a circle.
Oh, you're just straight up in
There's
the air.
Oh, look at that circle. There's
Oh
several
my
circles.
God.
1, 2, 3, 4 circles.
Yeah, so turn it a little bit.
I'm not touching it.
Yeah, just turn, just barely move that and it'll turn. Just barely move it.
Okay.
And you watch the screen.
Oh.
Just
Oh,
barely,
wow.
Just barely, no.
Oh no, it's crashing.
Just barely put pressure to it, see?
Oh, okay.
Oh my God.
And that'll rotate you around. There you go.
You can go a little fast. Look at the circles are cool though.
Mm-hmm.
I still love you.
And then bring it
Now it's all
down so
empty
you can
there.
see.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that big circle. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 rigs in one big circle.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
What?
Where'd you go to school?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You skipped 6.
What? I did?
You said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Because see, I counted it in my brain. You guys didn't hear me.
We need to go play dominoes again.
See, hey, she's got a lot of points.
Hey, no, I think you have more points than me. I'm actually not that bad. See, I counted it in my head. You guys didn't hear me say 6.
Look at that circle.
Wow, there's a huge circle there.
Yeah, look at that one.
That's like 15.
Oh wow, look at that. Yeah.
Bunched
Huh.
up.
Where's that at?
That is out that way.
Is it out that way?
Somebody else had a drone. They came clear over here, Scott, but their drone flew way over to that side, so they came over here to spot us.
Right.
We should have went like this
There's
to
all
them.
kinds of circles.
Right. Or like this.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
right? Oh, you couldn't see mine.
So now we're facing.
He's wishing.
Now we're facing that way, and look at all them circles.
You're like, where's yours at?
That's something.
There's so many people out.
Yeah.
Could you imagine one at South though, where we were camping at? So where our old campground is, that's where everybody wanted to park to go to the tent show. And our old campsite
Right where I
was
set up.
surrounded by hundreds and hundreds of people parking
You
next
told
to
me
it.
this.
I was like, aren't you
Yeah.
glad we kind of moved away from that spot, Scott?
I think you did. Yes.
There's all kinds of.
Time lapse behind everybody here.
Another big one there.
Oh, she's